Odhi nyime ni tielo mar ariyo mar twak mar manyo kwe kind piny owacho mar Kenya Kwanza kod kweth mar Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance ochakore kawuono. Kweth ariyogo osebedo kalero ni gionge kod paro moro amora mar keto mosruok mar pogo lemo mag sirikal e kindgi. Koro gidonje twak kuom thuolo machielo ka gima jopiny geno en ni gikone to kwe mochwere biro yudore pacho ka. Wadani wadhi ane achiel kachiel Bomas of Kenya mondo owinj kaka weche chalo ka jatend Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka ma bende otelo ne kweth mar Azimio twak gi kindeni.
International friends, I'm quite sure it will be a bigger forum or other Kenyans, so that because I'm sure that Kenyans are really following this process. Mheshimiwa Mwangweri, I think I did mention, Wajakoya, and our brother Zain, a former member of IALA, is also in our backup teams, and I think I saw a few other younger people. They're standing up there. You get to introduce as we move on. Okongo and Rodney and others. So over to you, my dear sister.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. The honorable members here present and the media, good morning. No, good afternoon. I'm here to represent our team leader, the Honorable Kimani Ichung'wah, who unfortunately got held up in Nyeri, and due to the bad weather he couldn't get to fly in time, but is now airborne. We expect that he should be here shortly. And I will start by first introducing the team from Kenya Kwanza, and I would prefer that they introduce themselves. Please, Senator, start with you.
My name is Aaron Cheriot, Senator.
I'm Cecily Mbarire. I am the governor for Embu County, and I'm also the national chair of the UDA party and a member of this team from Kenya Kwanza. I don't have a speech like my friend and colleague, Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka, but I'll just say that we are here as the Kenya Kwanza team because we know that our country is more important than any one of us. And we've been sent here by the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, to come and sit with our brothers to find a solution to the issues that are being brought on the table. We come here in good faith. We come here putting the interests of the people of Kenya first. We come here determined to look for long-lasting solutions for our great country, Kenya. We, as a country, I think we've had our challenges in the past, and we've taken peace very, very seriously. And in those moments where we were called upon to sit and talk and look for solutions, we've done that. We believe that even now, we'll be able to get the solutions that are required to move our nation forward and to maintain the peace that we so dearly need for the prosperity of our nation. I also believe, and we believe as a team, that the issues before us are issues that can be discussed and solutions found, and that we are able, as a nation, to come up with our own local solutions to our issues, because we are called upon as leaders to do so. And therefore, we want to promise the Azimio team that we are here to discuss the issues as we shall raise them. We will take this process very, very seriously, and our president has directed that we do so, and that will continue to consult both within here and outside in order that we can come up with long-lasting solutions. I want to believe that each one of us is here for open and fair dialogue, and that we shall be led by our commitment to the common interest of the people of Kenya and not personal interests. And so we look forward to a truly consultative process, a fair dialogue led by the interests of the people of Kenya, and more importantly, guided by our mutual trust from both sides, and guided by our constitution and the laws of Kenya. So we look forward to a great session today and in the future, and we hope that we can be able to seek solutions in the quickest way possible so that our country can continue to move forward. Thank you very much, and we are happy to be part of this process.
Excuse me, Chair. You forgot to introduce our backup team at the back here.
We do have honorable members. Please stand up, to introduce yourselves. Please just say your names.
Yeah, my name is William Kamkes, Member of Parliament for Tiati. And we are here not as backup, but we have issues that we want to. I think we are here as friends of these talks. We have issues
Very well.
that we want to present to you.
Very well. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
As friends. Thank you.
My name is Afi, Member of Parliament for Ija. I'm here as I came with my team, with the purpose. We are friends of this.
Thank you.
And I think there's a member for Mwingi on your side.
Yeah.
Thank you. Now, we want to suggest that part of the reason we're all here is because Kenyans have shed blood. And because of that, we are here. And we wanted then to, as happened, I think, in Parliament, I want to ask all of us to be upstanding and observe a moment's silence.
Wadhi nyime